3, 2, 1.
What's the common name for a device that heats water for showering? The answer is D, shower. What does EDS stand for in the DSM-5 Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders? The answer is C, enduring disorder symptomatology. Which event helps to renew a resource? The answer is A seed is planted from a tree. In the soap opera Days of Our Lives, a few months after his birth, Eric Brady was kidnapped by whom? The answer is C, Stefano Di Mira. What walks on 4 legs in the morning, 3 legs at noon, and 2 legs in the evening? The answer is D, table. What tool is used for cutting, carving, or shaping hard materials? The answer is A, chisel. Which platform lets you DM someone? The answer is B, Twitter. I'm a force that pulls objects together, not what, who. The answer is A, magnet. If a square and a parallelogram have equal areas and the side of the square is 6 units, what is the area of the parallelogram if one of its sides is 4 units? The answer is B, 18 square units. Which NFL team has won the most Super Bowl titles? The answer is A, Pittsburgh Steelers. Brian knows deserts get less rain than other ecosystems. However, he also knows that plants can survive in the desert. Which characteristic of a plant most likely helps it live in a desert? The answer is A, the ability to store water. What is the state of constant change in Buddhism called? The answer is C, anicca. What is the only U.S. state capital that isn't the county seat of the county in which it is located? The answer is A, Lansing. William Moulton Marston was the psychologist who invented the polygraph or lie detector. What else did he create? The answer is D, Wonder Woman. Which item helps you bind papers together? The answer is A, stapler. What class of oxygen-containing compounds is formed by the dehydration of alcohols? The answer is A, ethers. Which car model holds the record for the fastest speed ever achieved by a production vehicle? The answer is A, Bugatti Veyron. In which way do vertebrates reproduces? The answer is A, sexually. A river erodes its banks for thousands of years and deposits the eroded material at its mouth. What 2 landforms did the river make? The answer is B, a delta and a canyon. What is the oxygen-carrying component of red blood cells called? The answer is B, hemoglobin. What is the chemical name for table salt?
The answer is A, sodium chloride.
Which vegetable resembles cauliflower, but is white and has a more elongated shape? The answer is D, Chinese artichoke. Enzymes in saliva help break down and digest what? The answer is C, starches and fats. What is the name of the robot in The Iron Giant? The answer is D, B9. If you place a thermometer into a glass of ice water, what temperature should the thermometer read? The answer is B, 0 degrees C. The tallest volcano in the world is located in which archipelago? The answer is A, Hawaii. What is the Earth's rotational speed in km/h? The answer is C, 500. In TV show Seinfeld, for a few years during his childhood, what holiday did George's family celebrate in place of Christmas? The answer is B, Festivus. Which describes the size of an object? The answer is D, it holds 500 ml of water. How do polar bears survive the cold? The answer is A, B, A, and D. If you're in the North Pole, the North Star may be visible when? The answer is D, all year round. What is the state of matter that has no definite shape or volume? The answer is A, gas. What is the smallest edible berry in the world? The answer is A, blueberry. What celebrity couple starred in Stanley Kubrick's 1999 neo-noir psychological thriller movie Eyes Wide Shut? The answer is A, Tom Cruise and Nicole Kidman. Which DNA structure is double helix? The answer is D, double helix. What vegetable is often used in salsa verde? The answer is D, tomelo. What does Little Max wish when he's blowing the candles on his birthday cake in the 1997 comedy movie Liar Liar, starring Jim Carrey? The answer is D, he wishes his dad would stop lying for a day. Which of these sentences can Michael Scott not stop saying on The Office? The answer is C, that's what she said. Waxy leaves are used by some plants for what? The answer is C, keeping hydrogen dioxide. Who is the first person Wall-E comes in contact with on the axiom? The answer is A, John. What form of radiation is the energy emitted by the sun? The answer is A, electromagnetic. Which bird has the longest wingspan? The answer is B, albatross. Who was the first president to be born outside the original 13 colonies? The answer is A, John Adams. The pressure of a sample of gas is measured with an open-end what? The answer is A, manometer. Which theory explains human behavior based on learned responses? The answer is A, behaviorism. Which United States president was born in Pennsylvania? The answer is D, James Buchanan. Which process in the water cycle is directly caused by the heat from the sun? The answer is A, evaporation. I'm a messenger of the gods, known for my swiftness and winged sandals. Who am I? The answer is B, Apollo. In studying energy, what term do scientists use to refer to the matter and its environment involved in energy transfers? The answer is D, system. What always remains the same, regardless of how fast you travel?